Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm Matt. Today I'm going to show you how to make up that's a flawless makeup routine. But before we do that, I'm going to show you the products that I'm going to use. So here's the foundation I'm going to use. It's high definition nude foundation. Okay, I have my Johnson baby powder, which I'm going to use first before applying anything on my face. Okay, so I have my pencil from Soulmate. Okay, I have my brushes right here. One I'm gonna use for my lip, one I'm gonna use for my eyebrow and others. My concealer as well is here. My brush and my rose water from Eti Frank stores. Okay, so let's start. First thing I'm gonna do is to apply my Johnson baby powder. I told you that's the first thing I'm gonna do. Okay, is for me to use my Johnson baby powder to avoid acne. Okay, first thing I'm supposed to do is to use my powder all over. That's to avoid acne on my face, since I'm not using primer. So I'm using my Johnson baby powder in place of my primer. Okay, so it's time for me to start with my eyebrow. I'm gonna draw my eyebrow. Okay, pencil I'm using, I told you it's Soulmate pencil. Okay, so I'm starting beneath my eyebrow and on top of my eyebrow to draw it. Make sure your pencil is sharp. Okay, so start shading it from the middle part of it. Then once I'm done, I'm gonna brush the eyebrow. Okay, so you've seen what's happening now. So I'll try dividing it from the middle, separate them from the middle. So it's time for me to use my concealer now to conceal my face. Okay. So you've seen it. I'm done with my eyebrow, but I'm not done with the makeup. I told you, flawless routine, makeup routine. Okay, you've seen it. It's very sharp. So now is the stage for me to look up on my hair. Seen it? My Ankara is blue, is green and red in color. So I'm gonna use look at my eyeshadow palette and choose a color according to my hair tie. Okay, so the color that I have here, I have a lot of colors here. I have pink, so I'm gonna choose pink. Okay, and here I'll be using coal. Same thing here. Then I'll use brown on top. Okay, now that I'm done with my eyebrow, it's time for me to apply my foundation. Okay, so now that I'm done applying foundation, it's time for me to use my finishing powder. Okay, my finishing powder, I told you, is such a buttercup finishing powder. So it's time for me to look at again check the color for my lip. I have nude here. I'm gonna go for it. Nude lipstick. Then it's time for me to line my lip. It's time for me. To define it with contour, with bronzer, then my nose not supposed to be left out. Still gonna use bronzer, my nose. And a little on my forehead. Now still check my cheek. So guys, now my face is set for church. Okay, so don't forget to click on the subscribe button on your mat, and as well share this lovely video with your friends, loving them how to highlight their lips, how to highlight the faces, how to make up to look charming or going for any party. So thanks very much for listening. Bye.